Good morning, Wildcats. Welcome to Friday, friends. It's finally Friday, January 22nd, 2021. And I have 5 pledges from Mrs. Ortiz's classroom, and their names are
Abel.
If you could, please, will you stand, place your hand over your heart, face the American flag, and join us as we say our Pledge of Allegiance to the U.S. flag. Of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now we'll do our pledge to the Texas flag. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Will you please remain standing for a moment of silence? At this point, you may be seated. Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has the right to feel safe. You have the right to feel loved, and you have the right to feel respected. This means at home, on the bus, and during your school day. Please let a trusted adult in your life, your teacher, your counselor, your nurse, your coach, your principal, or your parent, let them know if you feel unsafe, unloved, or disrespected. And if you need someone to help you understand what feeling safe, loved, and respected means, please find a trusted adult and talk with them about that. We do not have any birthdays today. We do not have any birthdays tomorrow. But on Sunday, we do have 2 friends who will be having a very happy birthday. So happy birthday to Hugo A. in pre-K 3 and to Haley B. in 1st grade. We hope you have a wonderful weekend birthday. We do have a couple of announcements. We have the last of our Colgate testing for 2nd grade, and that is for any students who missed it, so these are makeups. Monday is our 80th day of school, so we are celebrating by wearing everything 80s. So I want you to think of like the Goldbergs. I want you to think of big hair and neon clothes and matching your socks to your shirt and wearing your hair in a side ponytail. Maybe you have some jeans and a concert t-shirt and really, really big hair and Converse. So we're going to celebrate the 80th day by wearing 80s clothes. Please continue to wear your mask, social distance, and wash your hands often. And also, if you have a mask that is not disposable, please make sure that you do wash your mask as well. The Care Education themes for the month of January are perseverance and courage. One famous quote by an unknown author says, "The road to success is dotted with many tempting parking places. As we make our way through our journey, there are many who will stop because it is easier. But those who are truly successful are the ones who refuse to stop but continue, even when the journey becomes more difficult." So, with something to think about, this is Mrs. Marsh saying make it a great day, or not.
The choice is yours.
That's right, Wildcats, the choice is always yours. We hope that today, tomorrow, and Sunday you choose to make them terrific days, and we cannot wait for you to see you back on Monday.